Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how you can create this kind of hologram effect in DaVinci Resolve very easily. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So in the edit page, I have already imported a clip where I am scrolling down the mouse and clicking on it, and you have also need some screenshot of your desktop application. I took 10 screenshot here, but I prefer you to collect 12 screenshot of your apps, and that will be easier for you to animate. Now put that over the main clip and select all the clips, or press Ctrl plus A and right click there and create a new fusion clip. Now open in the fusion page. Here you can see this kind of nodes, and first of all select all the merge nodes and delete them, and also delete the background node. Now find the main clip and move it down, and I here rename it to the mouse clip and connect the output with the media out. Make sure your media out is set to display in the preview window. Now drag down the background node and connect the background between the media in and media out with a merge. Now on the background add ellipse marks, and in the background decrease the alpha value to get a transparent like look. Now back to the ellipse, we have to adjust our center position, so we'll move the center position around the mouse scrolling wheel. As you can see, our clip is not so stable, so somehow we have to manage it, and I will put the center position around here. I think that will be fine. And now adjust its size. I will slightly decrease the size around this. We will put all the icons around the ellipse marks. So now we have to drag the multi-merge node and connect it between the media clip and the merge one. Now connect the first icon with the multi-merge. You can see here the background is also visible. To make it transparent, go to the merge and set the apply mode to lighten. Now after the icon, we will add a transform node to transform its size and position. I will prefer the size to around 0.11, and now adjust its position. Make sure that it will perfectly align in the border of the ellipse, and the line should be same in the both direction. Okay, now that is perfect. Now to get a more interesting look, we can add a soft glow after the icon. So press shift plus space and add a soft glow node and change the gain to 0.5 and increase the glow size around 50. Now we have want that same size and same soft glow effect in every icon, so we have just copy the soft glow and transform node and paste it after the every icons. Like this we can paste it after every icon, and now select all the icons and move. You can see that they are not connected properly, so make sure that you have connected them. Now connect the second icon with the multi merge. and in the transform set the angle value to 36. Why the 36? Cause we have entered here 10 icons total, and if we divided 360 with the 10 we can get the 36 value. So for the every next icon we will add 36 for the angle. So for the first we will get a 36 angle, and for the next one we will add 36 into 2 72-degree angle like this, and we will perfectly align the position with the border of the ellipse. Okay, now our all icons are done, but we have to do the animation for the whole thing. So after the multi merge we will add a transform node, and here in the angle we if we change it then you can see it will not rotating properly cause our pivot point is not in the center of the ellipse. So go to the ellipse and untick the solid option and change it border with around zero point 0.4 and slightly increase the value to get a slight dot here in the center. Okay, around this kind of small dot, and we have to perfectly align the pivot position into the dot. So move that position into the dot. Okay, I am moving the center position, my mistake. We have to do the pivot position here. So here is the pivot position and move it in the center. Okay, now that's perfect. Now if we change the angle then you can see it is rotating perfectly. Now we can delete the ellipse and background, and now we have do the animation part. So for the first frame we will choose the size to 0, and where we are tapping on the mouse there also choose a keyframe and set the size to 0 also, and after 1 or 2 frame we will increase the size to 1.0. So then we can easily achieve the look. After tapping the size will be increased. Same effect we will do the in the last frame, where we will tap the mouse, we will add a size to 1.0, and after few frame we will change the size to 0.0. Okay, you can see that opening and closing animation is ready. Now we have to do the rotating animation. So we have to look where we are moving our mouse upwards or downwards, cause here in this clip I have also scrolling my mouse to the upwards and downwards. So you have to be careful while rotating, cause in the direction where you are scrolling the mouse and the angle should be vary. If you are scrolling downwards then the scrolling effect should be that direction. It will take some time, but if you Do it with the patience and the result will be blow your mind. It will take some time, but be patient. Don't need to hurry about it. I think we are done here. Okay. I think that is good. So after that we will add a marks, but before that we will smooth our keyframes. So select the transform and select all the keyframes and press F. Okay, now we'll add a polygon marks and draw the part where we don't want to see the icons and change it to position to invert. Okay, now I am slightly adjusting its position around the finger also. Okay, now here is a so minimalistic and better animation, and also increase the soft edge a little bit. Okay, now we have to done our final job. Go to the transform, take on the motion blur, increase the quality and shutter angle to max. Now let's check our footage. So if you learned anything from this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe for more such relative contents, and I will see you in the next one.